Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to get extreme protections from cyber attacks in iPhone smartphones. So without further delay, let's begin. So firstly just open the settings and now just scroll down below. Now you'll see here privacy and security option. Just click on it. Now just scroll down below again. Now you will see here lockdown mode. Just click on it. Now you can see here some details regarding this lockdown mode. So now just click on this turn on lockdown mode. Now you can see here all the details regarding the lockdown mode. So just turn on this lockdown mode. Now you need to click on this turn on and you need to restart your iPhone smartphone in order to activate this lockdown mode. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily get extreme protections from cyber attacks in iPhone smartphones very easily. So if you never known about these cool hidden features, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.